How to log into your ASDA Money Credit Card account online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ASDA Money Credit Card account online. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. You may open any web browser of your choice. Now on the address bar, you need to type money.asda.com. Once you type in this keyword on the address bar, now press the enter button of your keyboard to browse it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of ASDA Money Credit Card. Once you reach to this page, here at the top, you will find Credit Card Login button. Now click on this button and now you will be taken to a new page. In this page, you will find Login button right at the bottom. Go ahead and click on this option and then you will be presented with this login interface on your screen. Here you will need to enter your login credentials. In this first box, type in your mobile number associated with your account along with the correct country code. And in the second box, enter 5-digit passcode. Once you have entered it, you can also click on this I button at the right side of it to check whether you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you don't remember your passcode and couldn't log into your account, you may also click on this reset passcode option at the right button and then you will need to follow the on-screen prompts to recover your passcode. Now once you have entered all the details correctly, click on this continue button at the left bottom. After that, you will be able to log into your ASDA Money Credit Card online. After logging into your account, now you can view your account summary, review transactions, make payments and many more. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.